Well, looks like we've got a flat. Better put a new tube in. I'll start by loosening the axle nuts. Now remove the coaster brake bracket and just lift the wheel out. Now we'll have to lift the bead out. Now push down the valve stem and remove the tube. This one had a pinch next to the valve stem that tore. Now inspect the inside of the tire by rubbing your hand around. Look for any sharp objects. Now it's time for the new tube. Now inflate the tube a little bit so it holds its shape. Now start with the valve stem, then tuck it in all the way around. Now you can rebead the tire. Just make sure you don't pinch the tube on the way around. Check that your valve stem is straight before we reinflate it. Time to inflate it. This one goes to 40 psi. Now we'll put the valve cap back on and reinstall it on the bike. Reinstall the coaster brake bracket, but don't tighten it down yet. Now retighten the axle nuts, making sure everything's straight. Now go back and lock down the coaster brake. Alright, time to roll.